are you all doing? How are you all doing, my people? Hope you all are doing great. It's Thursday. Happy Thursday to you all. So I want to, what do I want to say? Okay, I want to say what happened on Wednesday, which was yesterday. I was at my sister's place on Tuesday to do her friend's hair, and I had to pass the night there because we actually finished late. Like, if you have watched the video, we finished around 3 a.m. That 3 a.m, after I finished doing everything, we're just rounding up to go to bed. At that time, it was past 3 a.m. at that time. I want to believe it was past 3 a.m. Yeah. So my sister and I were sitting on the couch, one long couch together. We're sitting on that same couch, just preparing to go to bed. All of a sudden, the unthinkable happened. Something I knew, for this year it has passed, it will not happen anymore. What? Earthquake happened that night. Oh my God. And it just brought back the memories of 2019, because it happened like so well on 2019. Is it in 2019? In 2019, sorry. It happened. That's the shock. I didn't want to be under any building in 2019. I was so scared. It traumatized me. I couldn't sleep. We stayed at the park in 2019. We stayed at the park for 3 days. As in, we slept at the park for 3 days. The night that thing happened, the next day and another day, we slept at the park. So when it happened that's yesterday in the morning, 3 a.m, I was like, so my sister and I were sitting on this couch. Just the TV was on, but we were still like rounding up to just go to bed because everyone was tired. So all of a sudden, I'm watching the TV. I don't even know what she was doing, but she was sitting close to me. And all of a sudden, the couch was like shaking. Like, in my head, I'm saying, why is my sister shaking the couch like this? What's happening? In her head, she's saying the same thing. She's like, why am I shaking the couch? Then I turned to ask her, like, to see what she's doing. Why is she shaking the couch? And she's turning to look at me to ask me the same question. That was when it dawned on us that this is earthquake. It's not us. These are as in, I thought am I dreaming or what? Like, everything is shaking like this. Hey, oh my goodness. In fact, we didn't even know what to do. We did not know what to do. So we just relaxed. It happened for seconds. We just like relax, calm down, and see. It was so, I don't know. It was like, oh my God. This city is, first of all, a very tall building. So while we were there, people started posting videos on their status. Like, if you see how people were running out of this city, this my building, and we live on the 13th floor. See, so I could just imagine how Lena and her father they were doing at home. They were sleeping already, and he heard it in his dream. He felt it in his dream. Like, it was so bad. Please. But anyway, everyone is fine. No one got hurt. We thank God. But that thing is so traumatizing. It plays with your psychology, because anytime you feel like something is shaking, you see, every time you feel like something is moving. But anyway, we thank God. So I want to show you guys our products. So my mom, when my aunties came, they brought us some hair products for Lena, and I can use it on my hair as well. It's not just for kids. So this product. So my auntie was supposed to bring like products for us from Germany, but right now, I don't know what's happening with airlines. They don't have they don't give them any kilo. When you pay, you have just your hand luggage, so she could not carry. You know how hair products can be so heavy, so she could not carry it. So my mom had to call my auntie in America to buy this and give it to one of the aunties who were coming from America with my auntie, so they could spend time here in Turkey. So my auntie bought them and sent them to us. This is what's the brand? What's it? African Pride. I was looking for the name. It's called African Pride. That's it. It's very nice. This is okay. Let me start from. This is the shampoo. We have used it already. We have actually used it already on Lina's hair. It's nice. In fact, you know, we can do with it. This is the shampoo. Nourish and Shine shampoo, honey and coconut oil. This is the conditioner, honey, chocolate and coconut oil, repair and replenish conditioner. And then this is the leave-in cream, hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream. And then this one is the coil milk and detangler. So this is our hair product. It's actually nice. I've used it on Lena's hair once. So we're going to do one. I want to wash her hair today, undo it. Her hair is due. I want to undo her hair, wash it, and then do another one. So we're going to use these products today. Again, I've used it on my hair too. It's really nice. The shampoo is like, it has something like, it's really slimy, like there's aloe vera in it. I don't know if there's aloe vera in it, but it's slimy. It makes your hair like soft and moist. So let's go. Let me go and do Lena's hair.
Each day